So we left Pasadena at about 3:45. It was a little over 2-hour drive. By the time we got there, it was already dark. We unpacked, got the yurt set up. I decided I didn't really feel like filming anything, so when we were cooking out on the grill, I just took some stills and put this together. We cooked up some Korean short rib, took it inside, had a couple of cocktails, then we went to bed.
What's good, YouTube? It is your boy, Mr. Top Heavy, and Miss Patches back here, and we are currently in a yurt in Lake Cachuma, California. That is just north of Santa Barbara and south of Solvang. Hanging out here for the Christmas time and doing some outdoor activities. Yeah, boy.
As the day progressed, the clouds went away, the wind died down, the sun came out, and it was actually a beautiful, beautiful day. So we decided to crack some brews, relax. Patches was out on her mat catching some rays. My wife put together a slammin' cheese and meat board. We decided to try out our new toy, the pie iron. We brought some pizza dough, pepperoni, cheese, sauce, some mushrooms. We added it all into the pie iron, threw it on the fire, and let it do its thing. I will admit, there is a learning curve and we haven't perfected it yet, but the final product was definitely delicious. As the sun started to go down, the clouds came back, the wind picked up, and the temperature dropped and it started getting cold again. So later in the evening we got a fire going, got some charcoal down to some white hot coals, and threw some steaks on the cast iron. A little broccolini on the side with some mashed potatoes. Took it inside the yurt. A few cocktails. Called it a night.
Well, good morning from Lake Cachuma. It is your boy, Mr. Top Heavy. It is Christmas Eve of 2023. It's been a wonderful time here in the yurt we have been staying in. It's been nice and warm in there. It's been a little chilly here in general, but overall, we've had a wonderful time. We've done so much food stuff and just been relaxing. I highly recommend this area. We've gone to the camp store, got some firewood, did a fire in the fire pit. We had some charcoal, so we did some grilling on the grill. Lake Cachuma is a pretty big campground. The lake here, you're not allowed to swim in, unfortunately, because the surrounding areas use it for drinking water. It is pet friendly, so we took Patches to the dog park and ran her around for a little bit. So definitely had a good time here at Lake Cachuma.